Welcome to the Agile Auditor at riskvigilantbharat. Let's dive into vendor technical evaluation, the ultimate reality check. Imagine this. A company signs a massive 50 lakh rupee contract for absolutely critical machine parts.
But just 2 weeks later, the vendor totally runs out of cash. Production literally grinds to a halt.
So what went wrong? Well, they checked the legal paperwork, but nobody actually bothered inspecting the factory.
That's where a vendor technical evaluation comes in. Basically, it's a physical and financial reality check.
It proves the supplier actually has the machinery, the compliance, and the cash to avoid sudden disruptions.
Think about it. Would you hire a caterer for a 1,000-person wedding just based on a glossy menu?
No way. You'd visit the kitchen, check for massive stoves, verify hygiene, and make sure they have cash up front.
Because if they're cooking in a tiny home kitchen, they'll fail, no matter how beautiful that menu looks. Let's look at XYZ Limited. They want 20 lakh rupees a month of specialized packaging from vendor A. Before signing anything, XYZ's quality team visits the plant. They test packaging strength and check environmental compliance. Next, the finance team reviews their balance sheet to ensure they can consistently buy raw materials for 3 years. And procurement only proceeds after both the engineers and finance actually sign off on this crucial reality check. All right, time for a confusion buster. A huge fresher mistake is mixing up KYC with a technical evaluation.
They happen at the same time, sure, but KYC checks legal identity, while technical evaluation checks actual factory capacity.
Basically, finance handles KYC to stop fraud. Engineers do technical evaluations to prevent complete supply chain shutdowns.
So what's the ultimate auditor's red flag? A technical form signed by purchasing, instead of a qualified engineer.
Why? Because procurement teams are driven by cost savings. That makes their technical sign-offs heavily biased.
As an auditor, you must actively hunt for technical certifications done by non-technical people just chasing low prices.
Let's recap. KYC proves exactly who the vendor is. The technical evaluation proves what they can actually do. So look closely. Are you inspecting the right signatures? Stay tuned for our next investigative explainer to find out.